In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit calendar events in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're fixing a time, polishing a title, or updating details before a meeting, I'll walk you through where to click and what each option does, so your calendar stays accurate and everyone stays informed. First, head to your calendar in Outlook. Look for the calendar icon on the navigation bar and click it. This switches you from mail to your schedule, so you can see your days, weeks, or months at a glance. Next, locate the event you want to change and open it. Browse to the right date, then double-click the event. A single click usually shows a preview, but a double-click opens the full editing window. It pops out in its own window so you can work without distractions. If you click the wrong one, no problem. Just close it and open the right event. Inside the event window, you'll see the key fields at the top, laid out clearly for quick edits. Start by adjusting the title if needed. Make it clear and specific so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Update the location as well, whether that is a meeting room, an address, or a virtual meeting link, so participants know exactly where to go. Check the start and end time. Pick the correct day and times to ensure the event appears in the right slot and doesn't conflict with other commitments. Make sure AM and PM are correct if you're using a 12-hour clock. When you change one time, Outlook will adjust the duration based on your start and end values. If you're moving a meeting, keep in mind that attendees will be notified when you send the update. Use the notes or description area to add or refine details. This is a great place for an agenda, talking points, or any links participants might need. Clear, well-organized notes reduce back and forth and help everyone arrive prepared. Set the reminder to a time that works for you, anything from minutes to days in advance. A good reminder strikes the balance between giving you time to prepare and not interrupting your focus